बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। Welcome back to my channel. This is all about ideas. Signing in. And I am going to share with you most stunning and most beautiful wreath decoration ideas. These are very stunning and very pretty wreath collection for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are very amazing and very stunning wreath decoration ideas for you guys, and I hope you enjoy these type of head wreath design. Always keep supporting my channel. Always keep watching my videos. These are super amazing and most unique and very classy. Looks of wreath design. Follow for more details. Keep subscribing my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are super stunning and most unique. Handmade wreath design for you guys. I hope so you enjoyed this video, and you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are most demanding and most unique, very classy and very beautiful headrest design for your home decor. Always take care, always be happy. These are super stunning and super unique. Great ideas for you guys. Take care. Allah Hafiz, guys.